As you begin your journey towards achieving a straighter smile, we want to ensure you know some important information about your orthodontic treatment. So, by working together, we can achieve the best possible results. To achieve the best results, your full cooperation is needed. Taking good care of your braces and teeth is essential to prevent any problems. Missed appointments or broken braces could cause delays in completing your treatment. If your brace breaks, please get in touch with the practice immediately. When you first get your braces fitted, it's normal to experience some discomfort. However, this usually settles within a few days. Sometimes, your braces can rub against the inside of your lips or cheeks, causing small sores. To prevent this, we will provide you with specific soft wax or gel you can place over any sharp edges of the brace. If you play contact sports, please let your dentist know, as you must wear a special gum shield to protect your braces and teeth. Brushing your teeth carefully to prevent marks or damage is essential, and we recommend brushing 3 times a day with fluoride toothpaste. After brushing your teeth, as usual, go back over each tooth individually, angling the brush above and below the braces to remove any food or debris. It's also important to clean the areas of the tooth close to the gum, as food can become trapped there. Besides toothbrushing, using interdental brushes can keep your braces and teeth clean. These brushes are placed under the wire between the braces to remove any food or debris that has become caught. You must clean between every tooth and each side of every brace. For more information, advice, or health concerns, please get in touch with our practice. Thank you.